Welcome to the first week of giveaways. Woohoo! So we're doing a Christmas giveaway, aren't we? And we're doing a Kookaburra. Is that it? Oh, you like that? Yes, it's sparkly. Beautiful sparkly Kookaburra. Gosh, it looks like you. Some Christmas Australiana. We also have this fella here, and look at this. I know. Ooh, some Australian bird Chrissy decorations. So what we'd like you to do to be in the draw anywhere in the world, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel and like this video, and we'll draw randomly out of the hat. Okay? Say hello, baby. My little baby's back. He's a little baby right now. I've got to ask you a question. What do you think of the Kookaburra? The Kookaburra decoration, do you like it? Oh, handsome, isn't it? Yes, it's pretty. And what about these two? Oh, yes, very nice. Australiana, Christmas decorations up for grabs. Ooh, you don't like them, do you? You like the one that looks like you? Yes, it's a Kookaburra. Yeah. Oh, look. Twinning. And don't forget to let us know that you'd like to go in the competition. Good luck.